Astrid Johansen.
Okay. First question. Did you kill your son?
I did everything correctly. Exactly as I was taught. Every word, every cut. But what I saw, it was something new, something we don't understand.
Even Radcliffe himself was frightened by the things he saw. But while others saw a monster, he saw salvation.
And I think it's safe to say, most in this town would celebrate one less Johansen. You've seen them, haven't you, Rachel? Visions. Harbingers.
I didn't kill my son.
You don't have that in you.
But what if I do?
Silent Hill Ascension is a thrilling, new, Genvid interactive series where you, along with the rest of the community, will impact the canon of Silent Hill.
Will it hurt? Yes. But this is how we become free, Joy. Truly free. From all the ugliness inside us. That's why you came to us. To me. Okay. I'm ready, Rachel. Good. Now say the words. I'll do it with you. I am blighted. My words are woe. My deeds are rot. But I am not lost. By hallowed blade, I draw out my affliction, and I am made pure. I know it hurts, but you're doing really well, Joy. Now I need your other arm, the wrist. What? You didn't respond to our other therapies. This is the only way. Rachel, I appreciate everything the Foundation, what you've done for me, but I can't. You have to stay and finish the oath. I know you're scared, but... Rachel, let go of me. You can't keep running from this. The blight has to be cut out or it spreads.
Rachel, let go!
This isn't just about you. You have to finish the oath.
Get the hell away from me!
Rachel? What did you do, Joy?
I didn't... What did you do? Please, make it stop. I'll do anything.
Great Purifier, grant us your protection and hold us in your loving embrace.
Please, make it stop, make it stop!
Joy, you need to listen to me. Joy, finish the oath. Now!
Free of fear, free of sorrow, free of...
Medicine that doesn't work. Useless defeat.
Mama, quiet. Orson is downstairs.
He doesn't understand anything. Like a potato with legs, that boy.
No luck today, little one. I think Wolf scared away all the rabbits.
Mama, he can hear you.
So what if you can hear me? He's a useless little shit. Sitting around...
They're too loud!
all day.
You should go play in the yard. You don't need to hear all this.
Get out! Get out!
Come on, Orson. Time to go.
You're not staying for dinner?
She can say what she likes about me, but she needs to leave my son out of it.
Stay. She gets cranky this time of day. She just needs her medicine.
You're always defending her.
I'm all she has. She's sick and scared. That's all.
You'll have to start standing up to her sometime, Papa. You can't keep...
Are you back? Get up here, now!
Well, go on. She's waiting.
Ingrid? Ingrid? Then...
Carl! Something's wrong.
Nothing's wrong. You're just having another bad night.
I can't breathe.
Lie back. I'll bring you water.
Who's calling? Mette? Oh, that fitter.
No, it's not Mette. It's Astrid.
Lies. I see everything. How she looks at you. You're both waiting for the sickness to take me.
Hi, Astrid.
I'm sorry I upset Mama. Can you put her on the phone?
She's quite tired.
Should I come by again?
I've got it handled.
Handled. You've never had anything handled. I did everything for this family. I worked, I cooked and cleaned. And what did I get for it? Dritt. Ungrateful children, a useless husband, and this damn... I'll be gone, and you'll do what you always done. Hide. You will lie to our daughters. Tell them it wasn't your fault. But they'll see through you. They'll see their father for what he is. A useless, filthy little coward. You'll tell them you loved me. Maybe they'll believe you, but then they'll find out. They'll learn it was all a lie. You loved her. Always her. But she'll never love you back. No. Who would ever love a jävel such as you? Only me. And look at what I get. This is your fault, Carl. It's your fault.
Wolves again. I'll need to take care of it.
Yes. Go handle it. Go and hide, you coward. Go.
Ingrid? Ingrid? Oh my god. Oh my god. I tried. I'm sorry.
Rachel, please!
Rachel! Whoa, easy. You're okay. You're safe.
Is she... Where's Joy?
The police took her.
Am I?
The coroner believes it was an aneurysm. Natural causes. Rachel? What did you see?
It was... I don't know how to describe it. It wasn't human. Ropes, or more like vines they hung from it.
Radcliffe, Chapter 7. The Purifier came cloaked in roots and vines. This is a good thing. A blessing. Joy was blighted, and the Purifier chose you to protect us before it could spread.
Or she's cursed.
Krista!
How can we trust what she says? You know her story. Everything she touches turns to shit. Maybe she didn't even see the Purifier. Maybe it was the...
Do not say that name here. This isn't for us to decide. Rachel will testify before the elders.
The elders?
They'll hear your testimony and render a judgment.
Xavier, what is there even to discuss? Joy is dead, and she's responsible.
Krista, enough! Rachel, the elders can help you, but you have to tell them the truth. Lies breed blight. Joy was blighted. I can't lose you too.
But what if I'm not blessed or cursed, or... What if this was all just an accident?
You witnessed a miracle tonight. How could that be an accident? Now go home. Spend time with your family. Meditate on the teachings. I'm sure the right words will come to you.
You missed the mess. There was a leak in one of the machines. Rach? Is something wrong?
It's Joy. Eric. She's gone.
What?
She's gone. And I couldn't do anything about it.
Ah, Rach. I'm so sorry.
I was helping her. It was working.
Yeah, I know. How did it happen?
You know I can't tell you that. You only just joined the Foundation.
Well, has anyone told Toby yet? Rach, Joy was his sister. The only family he had left.
I don't need him making things worse for me. For us.
Rachel, what the hell happened tonight?
I'll write a note, and you'll take it to him.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know, a Foundation prayer? It might bring him some comfort.
Toby hates the Foundation.
But Joy didn't. We were helping her, and she believed we could help him too. It's what she'd want.
What about money? His job doesn't pay well, and it'll be difficult to cover the funeral costs.
Toby's proud. He might take it as an insult. Maybe I should just apologize.
For what, Rach?
I recruited Joy. I feel responsible for her, okay?
Look, whatever you decide, I'm behind you 100%. If he freaks out, I'll try to calm him down, and if he's satisfied, I'll tell him it was all your idea.
I know, and I appreciate it. Just let me think on it, okay?
Yeah, okay. Hey. Te amo.
Te amo.
Why are you sitting in the dark? Papa, are you okay?
I didn't get a good look at it. That thing that killed the goats ran to check on your mother.
Papa, where's Mama?
I tried. I tried my best.
Orson, I need to talk to Grandpa. Why don't you go say hi to Grandma?
No.
Papa, did something happen? Oh God. Oh God.
Should we ride the tractor today, Lilleven?
Orson, Angel, don't come in here. Go back downstairs. Oh God, Mama. How did it... Papa? Did you...
It's not my fault. I tried everything I could. I really did. I took good care of her.
Tried what? CPR? Did you even call the paramedics? I need to call an ambulance now.
I already called them. I'll wait with Orson. The ambulance should be here soon.
Okay. Let's get the place looking presentable. Mama would kill me if we let them see it like this. What's this?
Oh, that's your mother's painkiller.
Papa,
She didn't take any injections. What did you give her?
I was just trying to help. That's all.
Paramedics are coming, Papa, and police. If they see this, what do you think they'll say?
Just get rid of it.
Papa, this is evidence. I'd be incriminating myself.
Then put it back where you found it. Maybe they won't even see it.
Papa, did you have something to do with Mama's death?
If you want to turn it into them, so be it. I would never hurt your mother. I'd
Never.
is here. I should go downstairs.
Come on. Don't do this, Joy.
Last call, Toby.
This is Joy. Tell me something nice, and I'll call you back when I'm
Shit.
Toby, I need to talk to you.
Yeah, you do. Your wife is pulling my sister deeper into her goddamn cult. And it needs to stop.
She's dead.
Rachel?
No. Your sister. Joy.
No. Joy's fine. I just heard from her.
I'm so sorry. I am. You need to know Rachel and I both really cared about Joy.
You're serious? How did it happen?
I'm not sure.
What do you mean you're not sure?
Rachel said it was some kind of accident. Wanted me to give you this.
What the hell is this supposed to be?
It's a prayer. For you. From the Foundation. Rachel thought it would bring you some... I don't know. Comfort.
Comfort? Are you fucking kidding me, Hernandez?
She said Joy would have wanted you to have it.
Hey, take that shit outside! What the hell does Rachel know about what Joy wanted?
It's okay. It's fine. We're friends.
That's what I fucking think of a prayer from your wife's cult.
Xavier? Krista? Hello?
Rachel, is everything all right? More visions? The Purifier has more to show you. These visions, our gift.
They don't feel that way.
Even Radcliffe himself was frightened by the things he saw. But while others saw a monster, he saw salvation. Our order is not for the faint of heart. But I've never had to worry about that with you. I always knew there was something special about you, Rachel. And now the Purifier has shown me I was right. Something to share, Krista?
What if you're wrong? What if she did see a monster?
The Pestilent.
Xavier, you know why we came to this town. What we're here to do. Can we really risk everything on a feeling?
Faith, Krista. And until now, my conviction was all I had to keep us, this whole damn town, safe. But now I have more than that. I have proof.
Blessed? Cursed? I honestly don't know what I believe right now. But Joy is dead, and somehow I'm responsible.
Joy's lack of faith was the true culprit. Don't let her doubts become yours. Joy's brother. Did you speak with him?
I sent Eric to break the news. I sent him a foundation prayer.
And?
He tore it up and punched Eric.
And you were expecting a different response? Everyone knows how much Toby hates the Foundation. Toby needs to be dealt with, Xavier. He'll only cause problems for us.
Yes, I know.
There's more. Eric's been asking questions.
Can't you just put him in his place like you usually do?
Eric is only an initiate. Initiates are impressionable, but also unpredictable. That makes them dangerous.
He's also my husband. You've always taught us that marriage is a temple built on trust.
You are a blessed protector, Rachel. Called by the Purifier. Eric won't understand that. You'll have to figure out how to field his questions without putting us at risk. Can you do this?
I can try.
I'm certain you can.